Assalamualaikum all friends, all PC, laptop, accessories, UPS, uninterruptible power supply provides backup power during electricity failure. Webcam captures videos for calls and recording. Speakers produce sound from the computer and converts parts document into digital form scanner. Printer printers documents and images on paper. Power supply PSU supplies electricity to all computer parts. Processor executes program and calculations. Hard disk SSD stores data, files and software permanently. RAM random access memory temporary memory used while the computer is running. Motherboard main circuit board that connects all parts together. System unit case CPU case the box that contains all main hardware components. Mouse meaning used to point, click and select items on the screen. Keyboard used to type text and commands into the computer. And CPU Central Processing Unit the brain of the computer that processes all information instructions. And monitor display images, text and videos on the screen. Subscribe for more informative videos. Like, share and good comment.